Harsha Mishra, and I am a doctor and a science teacher in Rishi Gurukulam. Before coming to personal touch, there was lot of emotional turmoil going on. There was what I could identify was there was lot of lack of self-love and the feeling that I am not good enough, and because of which was having lot of problem in the relationship and lot of emotional ups and downs. But after doing this personal touch, during that process of writing the forgiveness letter to myself and to everyone, I cleared lot of things, and because of which I was able to work on myself after that. And doing that, writing that what, why, how chart, it gave me lot of clarity about actually what I want, and the why part became clear, and because of which how became very easy. Apart from that, I see a lot of potential in this program. If when I follow this for next 66 days without applying my head, this will surely help me to get out of my lack of self love, and I start loving myself, and my relationship will improve a lot. I'm 100% sure. Yeah, the investment which I did is like a penny, and I am 100% sure this is going to give me a multifold result, and I recommend this to everyone.
Hello, I'm Dr. Bindu, and I'm a sound therapist. I'm also into rural development and a trainer. Before doing this program of personal touch, I was focusing on wealth, but I had my own self doubts, and I was taking time, waiting for perfection, or not believing in certain things, and wasn't sure about taking this jump for wealth. But as I did this program, now I'm feeling very empowered as I wrote down, pen it down, as we say. So whatever I've written for my goal for next 1 year and following years, it gave me so much power that now I can clearly see wealth flowing in, money flowing in, abundance flowing in, and much more than I would have ever thought. Now I see the possibility as skies the limit and more. Now I can see the potential in the area of, as I mentioned, that wealth, self-growth and abundance. These are the areas where I'm feeling empowered. The investment I made for this program is, I feel, the best investment of my life, which is helping me unfold my further life in a beautiful way. So thank you, Manojji. Thank you for designing this program and including us. Thanks.
My name is Sarita, and I'm a catalyst for energy transformation, and I'm an entrepreneur. Before the personal touch, I can say I was always in the why me mode, why me mode. So complaint mode was there. My energy would always dip in the why me mode. But now I see with this personal touch, most of the time it was me only who used to be there, in that situation. So it was not the others. So the potential what I got is I can see so much of transformation in the area of health, wealth and relationships. And investment, I would say it's an energy exchange where it cannot be valued. I think I have made the best investment of my life.
My name is Dr. Shamal Gaikwad. I'm a dentist. Before I joined Personal Touch, I was doing so many practices. And my question to Manoj sir was कि sir मैं इतना सब कर रही हूँ फिर भी बहुत चीज़ें अटक गई है. So what happened after this is that I understood that I have still so many patterns. I still have so many blocks which I need to work on. And thoda karo roj karo is definitely going to help me. Now I can see that I came for one area of my life, but I can see that the same pattern and the same things are repeated in every area of my life. So my realization was that for business, for your work, you always have a to-do list. You always do something about it. But for relationships, we never have a to-do list. So my realization was कि जैसे we work for our work, we have to work for our relations as well. You have to invest time, energy and effort in improving your relations as well. It could be your inner work or outer work, like meditation, visualization, or it could be just making a call or asking the other person how are you, or some words of appreciation. So definitely that is going to help me. The investment that I made for this, I know that if sir is taking something, I just close my eyes and I am there for it. I never question the investment because I know that in the long run I'm going to get it back multifold. So I feel it is worth every penny I have paid, and the amount of content and the amount of transformation that has happened in just 2 days is much more than the investment.